We're using quite a few of the Enable products. So we're using RMM Insight, we're using Cove, we're using Passportal, and we've been using them since our inception, so since we incorporated in 2017. The reason why we chose Insight is when we started the company, it was really quite apparent that we wanted to make sure we were doing things right from the beginning. So we wanted to make sure that we had a monitoring platform and a way that we can automate and monitor all of our customers' systems and services. Insight's helped our business because we're able to automate a lot of our deployments. So when we onboard a customer, it really helps us baseline elements and items, say for example, patch management, scheduling tasks, and deploying software. Previously, the only way to have been deploying all the softwares and patching would be to do it manually. So the fact that we're automating that now, especially on our onboarding process, means that bringing the customer on board is reduced by about half. So it frees up the guys and girls' time to do other things and other tasks. I chose Cove because being an engineer myself, got a lot of experience in other backup products, and I know how troublesome and time consuming some of them can be. Cove just works, it's easy. It's a great product, you get a holistic overview of what's backed up or what errors there might be. In our office, we've got it on a big monitoring screen as well, so we can see what's going on in real time. We're able to be proactive and make sure that the backups are going to work, and then therefore, when and if we do need to do a restore, we can be confident in the data that we've got. Cove's helped our business in that we're able to offer a full comprehensive backup suite to our clients, so whether that's across Microsoft 365, workstations, servers, we're able to put everything into one platform and back up customers' data that they're likely going to need and want to make sure that's protected. Combining Cove with Insight means that we can deploy the backups through the scripts and the policies that we've got. So that's something, again, that's done on the onboarding phase. So it doesn't really take us any time at all to deploy Cove. The reason why we chose Passportal is that I've worked in previous jobs and roles where passwords and documentation has always been a bit of a bugbear and a bit of a nightmare. So we wanted to make sure that we had somewhere where we could centralize things. We wanted to make sure that it was easily available to our engineers, especially when they're out and about on site, but then also that it was done so in a secure manner, because we've got to be conscious of the data that we're storing and that we've got the protocols and the right methods in place to keep that information secure. Passportal's helped our engineers get the information that they need. It's helped us collate everything in terms of runbooks. So one thing we say to our customers is that we will never charge them to have access to their information, and we're able to do that through exporting and issuing them a runbook. And we can password protect it as well. So one thing that we've not quite looked into yet that's on the consideration is Cloud Asset Manager. Obviously, with a lot of things gravitating towards the cloud, we want to make sure at MetaEagle that we're at the forefront of controlling that, managing that, and seeing if there's any way that we can streamline it as well. The events are good, it's great. It's great to be in situations like this in Prague, or been over to Las Vegas in October. Networking and meeting peers is always a good thing. I think in today's age now, it's all about collaboration rather than competition, and you always come away from these sort of events, one, having a good relationship with partners like Enable and other vendors, but then also forging some good, strong friendships and foundations with other MSP owners across the globe.